final words of advice if you are a small business owner listening to this to say that, okay, what are some of the couple of do's and don'ts for them to keep in mind as they think about the next generation succession planning? And also let's flip it towards the Gen Z. If you are a Gen Z who happens to be a family who's gonna either hand you the business or you could be part of that business, what are some of the do's and don'ts from their point of view? So one on each side. Go ahead.
Um, I told a client a long time ago, um, and actually I told a room full of bankers. And I say before, and I focused on the chief credit officer who they didn't like because he was the person that said no. But I learned that he had an amazing career as a banker, very successful. And I said, before he goes, reach out, take him for coffee, take him to lunch, and try to wring out all of his sage wisdom. Because I look at it like a telephone. Had Alexander Graham Bell not invented the telephone, I'm pretty confident we wouldn't have our smartphones today. The concept of Bell exists in our phones today, and I look at that as people. We can transfer that sage wisdom and bring it into the innovation of today. And wise inventors, have done that. So I would encourage people of any younger generation before they leave the company, gather that sage wisdom. At the same time, I think those of sage wisdom need to also realize that the innovation, the concept of social media, when you just look at the founder of Facebook. And I'm not looking at all the bad stuff going on, but just the mere and look at that how that has changed the face of business. You have diamonds in the rough right there. Listen, look for the why. Ask the why. Why does this concept or this technology stack or this, expanded view, why do you believe, that's going to work? And set the age aside, level the playing field, and you'd be surprised they may have the secret sauce that you've been looking for all these years. They may have it. We might need to modify it and take a very stepped approach, but they may have it. And I've seen companies increase their profitability by 25% because they listened to one individual who had an idea on how to tweak and innovate, and it literally changed the quality of their product. Listen, give them an ear, and respect. The respect goes 360 in that.